Hi, I'm Elaine Sanchez. Many of us who are baby boomers grew up believing that our lives would just keep getting better year after year. If we just worked hard enough and tried hard enough, we could find a solution to any problem and a cure for any illness. And now we have a hard time accepting that no matter how hard we try, we cannot stop the decline of a loved one's health. We cannot cure all illnesses, take away their pain, or restore their memories. And when we can't make things better, we feel like we have failed. But here's the truth. There are some problems we simply cannot fix. However, we can step back, look at the situation clearly, and focus on what is within our power to change. We can do what is doable, and then we can choose to let the rest go. When we release the responsibility for fixing things that are not fixable, it lightens our load, reduces our stress, and it creates space for love, patience, and even joy. And that makes life better for everyone. Here is today's Caregiver Help Thought of the Day. Today, I will accept that there are things I cannot change, fix, or control. I will do what is doable, and I will let go of the rest.